guys, not going to take up too much of your time, so just hang around to the end of the video because I've got something really important for you guys, especially when you're feeling lost. Like, I'm not in my normal environment right now. So when you're feeling like this, what you need to do. So I want you to hang around to the end of the video so that way I can tell you exactly what you should do in situations like this. I think in general a lot of people are feeling lost right now. That seems to be the sentiment that I'm getting as I talk to people, as I get out there. And by the way, guys, my name is Jennifer Waters. I'm an executive director at Seigler's Karate Center, and I help men and women just like you be able to harness martial arts to change their lives. But what I want to talk to you about today is, what do you do when you feel just lost in life? You have no idea what to do, where to go, and you're just feeling like you're just walking through every single day, but not knowing exactly what to do next. First off, one of the things that you got to do is you need to be exercising at least 2 times a week. You've got to put your body in the right position to support your brain, and you got to put your brain in the right position to support your body. Working out and doing it 2 times per week is huge. Hey, Monica, thanks for joining. Appreciate you being here. Hey, as the rest of you guys are joining on, do me a favor, comment #live if you're watching live with me right now like Monica is, or #replay if you're catching it on the replay. And that way I'll know that you guys watched this video, showed up, all that good stuff, and I'm going to reach out to you as well. 2 times per week is huge for your mental health. 2 times per week is a minimum. But man, when you hit that minimum, you're not lost anymore. It's a recipe for success. You got to carve out time to find you. You got to carve out time to know who you are and who you're going to become. Okay? And the way that we do that here at SKC is we get into class with other people that are like-minded, that just want to be here because they want to be here. Hey, Lewis, what's happening? Thanks for joining. When you are exercising 2 times per week, this changes. Mentality changes. Everything changes. And when you can get into an environment where other people are like-minded, they want to be in the same place that you are, they want to be working on themselves, they want to be working towards becoming a better version of themselves, man, everything changes. If you can get around those people, you can get motivated to be the person that you were meant to be. There's no more guessing. There's no more wondering who you are, where you're going, what you're doing. You're laser focused on what you need to do. Listen, some of you have been hanging out here and you live in the Augusta, Georgia area and you're like, I'm thinking about it, I just don't know if it's for me. You need to be over here. You need to be at SKC. You need this opportunity to be around people that are like-minded. Some of you used to be students and you're hanging out on these videos and you're wondering, well, do I belong there? Should I come back? Yes, you should. Because I bet you your life is not the same since you stopped. And I'm telling you, you can get found again. But the place that you need to be found at is here. You need to be here 2 times a week. That's a recipe for success, guys. It's going to motivate you beyond all things that you thought possible. If you made it to the end of this video, I need to write #team finisher. Thank you for your attention this morning, guys. Y'all have a good one.